Now that we know how to add text to our React application, let's go ahead and add an image. So let's go ahead and do that here. We're going to open up a website called pexels.com. This is a free stock photo website. We're going to find some sort of restaurant image to put on our page. So choose whatever one of these feels right to you. I'm going to just click on the first one here and we're going to right click on this and we're going to select copy image address. Now, within our component, so here in, say, our main component, let's go ahead before the unordered list, we're going to add an image tag. And to it, we're going to add a source, which will be whatever this image URL is. Now, if I refresh, I should see this image being added. Couple things to think about here. Number one, this image is really big. So let's give it a height of 200, which will be 200 pixels. Now, if I refresh, it should fit a little bit nicer. We want to make sure to add an alt attribute to this image or indeed any image that we're adding. So this alt is going to just describe what is inside of this image to make this more accessible. So if someone is using a screen reader or other type of assistive technology, they'll be able to hear what is in this image. And so we'll say a server presents 2 plates at a fancy restaurant. So you can describe that however you see fit, but having alt text is really important. So another thing that we can do is let's go ahead and right click on this. We'll say save image as, and we're going to just download this to our computer somewhere. We'll just call it restaurant. Now that I have this and it's downloading here, we're going to open up our files. So you can always hit Command B. That's going to toggle open and close your exercise files. Let's go ahead and drag this to the start folder. And we can grab this, we can access this locally instead of hitting this URL here. But here we'll just say /restaurant.jpg, whatever the name of the file is, and whatever its location is. So you can just save that locally if you'd prefer to go that route. So these are two different ways of incorporating an image. We have a source attribute that can be set either equal to the file inside of this folder, or we can use the URL and present the image that way.